Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to unbox my January beauty subscriptions that I have. I know it's already February, but I mean, I went on a cruise, I got back, I felt like I couldn't acclimate back to normal life. So now I feel like I'm back in the groove of things. The cruise was amazing. The cruise vlogs are coming, so watch out for those. But yeah, so let's get into this juicy video. I'm gonna start off with Birchbox because it's right in front of me, so why not? So again, this is for January, and Birchbox is $10 a month as a subscription. So the first thing I'm pulling out of here is an Aero Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. So this one right here, and oh, that was really unexpected. It's like a purplish hue. Huh. So it goes on pretty clear, but it has like a little pink hue to it. Smells pretty good. It smells like berry. It says this ultra, can't read. This ultra hydrating formula magically adjusts to your lips pH to create a flattering deep pink hue that's unique to you. So that's pretty cool. The next thing in here is the Beauty and Protect, and this is a volume spray. I'm pretty sure that I've gotten this brand before from Birchbox, and it's pretty good. It's lightweight, and apparently it adds major body, and it also protects against heat. So that's pretty cool. Okay, next up we have this Clarins Multi-Active Nude. It's N-U-I-T. Don't know how to say that word, but this is it right here. And it's basically a multi-active night cream for combination 2, or for normal 2 combination skin. So a night cream. Oh, okay. Smells good. And this is the sample size that they sent. Okay, next up we have the, okay, next up we have this, is it DOUCCE Cosmetics? DOUCCE? I'm not sure, but it's this right here. And this says it's Free Magnetic Eyeshadow Single in the color Veronica. And this says wear, I can't speak today. Wear the shade solo or with exclusive exclusive DOUCCE and Birchbox Free Magnetic Eyeshadow Quad. Interesting. So I'll definitely try this out. Don't know what free magnetic means, but yeah. Then we have this Clarins Double Serum Complete Age Control Concentrate, and this is like a bonus sample, so kind of gives you like information on it and stuff like that. And then the last thing in here is R+Co Badlands Dry Shampoo Paste. I've never tried a dry shampoo paste. I go in with the dry shampoo spray, obviously. It's pretty popular. I actually have it in my hair right now because I needed a little, you know, oomph in there. But a paste? That's weird. It smells good. It's kind of like waxy. So this is what it looks like on the inside. But yeah, it's really, really weird. Really weird. Oh, and look at what the color is for that little balm that I put on in the beginning. Crazy. So yeah, pretty good stuff from Birchbox for January. A lot of like new stuff, like stuff that I really haven't tried before. So that's pretty cool. Okay, next we have Ipsy, and this is the Ipsy bag that it usually comes in. So January Ipsy bag looks like this. It's kind of like a net. It has like netting on it. It's so weird. Ooh, this one looks good, guys. Okay, so first up we have this Mary Lou Manizer? Manizer? Oh God, I'm the worst at this. This is, the Luminizer. So this right here, I'm assuming that it is an illuminator or highlighter. And this is the cute little front of it. So that's pretty cute. Next up we have this VASANTI Waterline eyeliner in the color Intense Black. So this right here. Next we have this, is it BRIOGEO? I think it's BRIOGEO. And it's a charcoal and coconut oil micro-exfoliating shampoo. I've never used charcoal in my hair. Charcoal masks, yes, but in my hair, no. This is very cool. It says no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. So I am all about that. That's really cool. And then we have a charcoal mask. This I am familiar with. So it's this right here. And this is a 15-minute facial therapy, deep cleansing mud-based formula. So that's pretty cool. I love me some masks. So I'll try that like immediately. Especially since I wore quite a bit of makeup on the cruise and I want to kind of detox my face from all that gunk buildup. And I just took this out the packaging. This is like the last thing in here. The Velvet Liquid Lipstick from Hola Neon. I feel like it is. This is the packaging. Super cute, super fun. And then this is the actual product. So very nice color. I'm super into these mauvey berry colors. It doesn't have a smell to it, which is really weird. But I'll try it out. And I'll be trying out a lot of this stuff and telling you how it goes. How it goes for me. Especially like on my Insta stories. Like that's typically where I put a lot of my updated information on like what I'm trying, what I'm not trying, and this is just kind of an unboxing. So make sure that you are following me on Instagram so that you can catch that. Hey guys, like clockwork, my camera loves to shut down and overheat, so I am back and ready to unbox this Macy's one. So Macy's is the most expensive. Birchbox and Ipsy are both $10 a piece for the subscription, and this is a monthly subscription. The Macy's one is $15 a month, but they do give you a $5 coupon so that you can spend money and save $5 basically on whatever purchase you make. So it's pretty cool that they give you this booklet, and I really, really love it. I mean, I feel like this is my favorite one, especially because they have like bigger size samples in this one. So I don't know, let's check it out. So this is the cute bag that came for January, and right, this is January. Kind of looks Valentine's-y. But it's for January, and it's always wrapped in pink paper. On the inside, okay, so the first thing that I have here is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. So this is it right here. And this says it's sea-kissed. And it's approved for sensitive skin. So that's pretty cool. Oh, it smells amazing. So I will be using that, and that's a pretty hefty like size for a sample, just saying. I mean, it's pretty big, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this one is, okay, this next thing in here is this Pure Grace Nude Rose body lotion. So it's also a good size, and can't really smell anything, and that's because it is covered. So, oh my god, you guys, oh, it smells so good. Oh yes, yes. So sorry, I'm getting a little excited for that body lotion. Next we have this Frothy face wash from Origins, and this is the Checks and Balances one. So I've heard good things about this one. I'm pretty open to like cleansing my face with different stuff, and like although it's sensitive, like I feel like cleaning products don't really break me out. It's mostly like creams or serums that might irritate my skin, but something like this I don't believe it will. So I'll definitely check it out, tell you how it goes for me, and let you know on my Insta stories. Okay, next we have this Clinique and Jonathan Adler. I guess it's a collaboration. Pop Lip Color Primer in Nude Pop. Ooh, it's really pretty. Really pretty color. And I like the packaging too. It doesn't feel cheap. So this is it right there. Oh. Next we have this Smashbox Always On Matte Liquid Lipstick in DOUCCE. And that's a really pretty red. It looks kind of more like orangey red than like a blue red, if you know what I mean. Like it has like an undertone usually of a blue or like an orange or something like that. It looks more orange to me, but I'll try it on and let you guys know. I kind of like more of the blue tone reds, but that's just, you know, my preference. And then the last thing in here is a Michael Kors Sexy Ruby perfume sample. So this right here, and this like so. Once we have smell-o-vision, I can definitely just spray some for you guys. But until then, man, it smells good. Ah, it's getting all over my hand. Let's see, it says it has notes of velvet apricot, juicy raspberry, and luscious rose petals, which is exactly what it smells like. I'm glad that it had the notes on there because I really don't know how to explain perfume or like, you know, give you details on perfume. It's just not my forte. But yeah, so that's basically what I got in all of my beauty subscriptions. I love getting beauty subscriptions because I feel like it's not a bad price for what you get, and you get to try out new brands or brands that you love sometimes, brands that you recognize, which is really nice. And although you get a small sample sometimes, I feel like you go through that better, if that makes any sense, because you're not like wasting a whole big product that you spent a lot of money on. So it works out for me. I get to try out a lot of stuff and see what works and what doesn't work for me before I actually, you know, make the investment. So yeah, I hope that you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and make sure that you comment down below, like, what is your favorite subscription box? You know, do you like Sephora Play? Do you like other ones out there that I may not even know about? Definitely let me know down in the comments below, and make sure that you're subscribed. Okay, thanks so much for watching and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.